Everyone, my name is Lothar and I'm excited to present Go Test Yourself. At Go Test Yourself, you can buy your COVID-19 home test kit and share your results online. Because the main question for you and for government is, are or were you infected? And if you don't know, do you want to test at home? The media screams the same as the World Health Organization. Test, test, test. All around the world, governments are looking at mass testing. The only problem is that currently most of the tests are done through laboratories and they are limited in capacity. Only risk patients get tested. In contrast, we see a worldwide trend of suppliers offering home test kits to everyone in abundance. Go Test Yourself informs you at a national level about these home tests. Are they government approved? How and when will they be available in your country? How much do they cost? And how trustworthy is your test? The cool thing about our product is that we're inside every home test kit. It's as simple as scanning the barcode to share your results. We automatically recognize your test and inform you about it. Sadly enough, I've tested positive. I can add some extra information and optionally add some symptoms. After submitting, I get some basic advice. By sharing my results, I've just contributed to a worldwide data map. Let's get out of this crisis by making tests accessible and collecting results. By sharing your information, the governments gain insight about the contamination and herd immunity levels. Our non-profit open data company wants to connect with governments, medical centers, and universities all over the world. Our platform wants to be a solution for future pandemics as well. From Belgium to the USA, to Israel to Brazil. Thanks a lot to this team for making Go Test Yourself a reality. Thanks a lot.